Abigail with Ariens Co. Today we're going to assemble an Ariens razor. The razor is a series of 21-inch walk-behind mowers, including a push model, a front-wheel drive self-propelled model, and 2 rear-wheel drive self-propelled models with Ariens reflex speed control technology. In this lesson, we'll go through important steps before assembling, key items during the process, as well as what to do once the razor is ready for use. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the mower for bagging. To help with the assembly process, you can use the instructions listed on the razor box. The instructions listed on the box are similar to the operator's manual and will also show you the assembly options if mulching, bagging, or using the mowers for discharge. However, it's not a substitution for the operator's manual and is only a helpful resource for new users and assembly. Regardless of which model you have, they are all a toolless assembly. The only thing you'll need is a cutting tool to open the box, and we always recommend proper safety equipment like thick sturdy gloves and safety glasses when assembling. So let's get started. Once the box is open, we'll find the literature pack within the box. The literature pack includes important items like the operator's manual and engine manual. For the standard self-propelled and push models, you will also find this piece, the hose coupler. You will also find a bottle of oil, as every model comes with enough oil for the initial fill. To start the assembly, we'll get the mower out of the box. We recommend a team lift for this unit. Otherwise, if you're assembling the razor alone, cut the box down and assemble from there. With the unit removed, pick up the grass bag and wire frame and place it aside for now. Then, finish removing the rest of the packaging from the unit. Next, we'll adjust the handlebar. Turn the adjustment knobs and gently lift the handlebar and place it at your desired height by aligning it with one of 3 mounting holes. Turn the adjustment knobs, ensuring the pins are secure within the bracket, and you're done. When you are adjusting the handlebar, you may notice this knot within the engine string. This knot is supposed to be here as it helps you not engage the engine during this step. Next, we'll add oil. First, check the engine oil by removing the dipstick, wiping it clean, and reinserting it into the fill port. Then, remove the dipstick and notice where the oil level lands on the add or full marks. Using the oil that came with your unit, fill it up and recheck the dipstick until it's at the desired measurement. Be sure to reference your operator's manual for details on your unit's engine. Then, we'll connect the grass bag to the unit. While your grass bag may come partly attached, just double check that it's in the right configuration and snap it into the frame. With the bag on correctly, it should look like this. So you have the handle sticking out and then these 2 pieces outside of the snaps. To attach the grass bag, lift the rear door slightly. Remove the mulch plug already installed on the machine. Then, slide the wire frame into the notches on the unit and let the rear door rest on top of the grass bag. Next, we'll adjust the height of cut to one of 7 positions. Lifting the lever by the front wheel, place it on your desired cut height, ensuring the arm engages with the height of cut blocks. These blocks range in about ½ inch increments from 1 to 4 inches. For reference, the middle block has a different design to help operators when adjusting their height of cut. Perform the same process on the rear wheel with the height of cut lever to match the front height of cut lever. The last step is to prepare the unit for mulching, rear discharge, or bagging. To prep for one of those options, you can use the operator's manual or use the box instructions as a reference for this part. As a note, if you're looking to mulch, all razor units will come with a mulch plug attached. Now this is a piece that only the standard push and self-propelled model will have. It's a hose coupler. We don't recommend mowing with it, but storing it somewhere safe so you can find it when it comes time to use it. Finally, before operating, make sure to add gas. Be sure to use fresh unleaded gasoline with an octane rating of 87 or higher and with an ethanol content no greater than 10%. So that's the assembly process for the Ariens razor. Again, don't forget to register your unit online. If you're looking for more information about the product, scan the QR code located on the machine and refer to your operator's manual for mow and stow positions. Thanks for watching and happy mowing.